Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's about 6:45 on a Monday morning. We're at Birmingham Airport and we're about to fly to Rome. Yay! So we've just landed in Rome. We're going to catch the train into the capital. We've pre-booked the tickets. We just need to find a way out and then find a way to the train station. No luggage to collect. So we're heading straight to the train station.
Express.
Yeah. It's down the escalator, down there. I think we're on the right train. Are we on the right train?
Just didn't validate them.
Apparently we should have got these validated by getting them stamped in a machine. But you scan that anyway, which led us through, and then you need it stamped. Double the trouble. Elaine, in an amazing way, is going to get us to the hotel, aren't you, Elaine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This way.
That way. Great. Leave things to Elaine.
Something to eat?
No, thank you.
So do you want something to eat?
Starving. If you ever want to find your way in Rome, follow Elaine. Because I haven't got a clue. We've just arrived at our hotel and we're in our room, Marie. This is our room. It's very nice. With a view from our room. Street view. We'll be going out there soon once you've had a cup of tea. The lady's shown us all the facilities and it's rather a nice room. And he's filling the kettle up. You want me to have a look at a tap? It was a very long walk from the train station to here. About a 25-minute walk. sure we've done our 10,000 steps today. But we're here and the room's lovely. We're looking forward for a bit of adventure. Oh, and there's complimentary snacks in the hotel as well.
Croissants and cakes. Go grab some.
Found the complimentary cakes. And they're going to go rather nice with a cup of tea.